Okay, so let's make this part quicker because I know that y'all are ready to go. So we determined our domain was the number of cups, and those are whole numbers. That means that this is a discrete situation since we only have whole numbers as our variables. Ay, Dios mío. Our function rule then we need to talk about. So notice it says function rule instead of just rule or equation. So the reason it says that is because we want to write this the way that we wrote the cost as a function of the number of cups. So we need to write, instead of y, we're just going to write f of x. So this is saying the function of x, the function of the number of cups, equals $2.50 times the number of cups. So the cost was the function. So this is saying the cost equals $2.50 times x. So really, there's nothing different about this rule except for instead of using y, we're using f of x. The function of x is what f of x stands for. And when you use the graphing calculators, this is what you're going to see. It will never ask you what y equals. It'll ask you what the f of x is. So y'all can go ahead and do the table and stuff by yourself, I think. So you can pause the video and fill out your x's, your process column, and your y's, and then graph that all yourself. I'm not actually going to even do that for you, except for just to show you your first for process would be then just, I'm so sorry, here we go, 250 times 1, because that would be $2.50 times 1 cup would cost $2.50. So the next process would be $2.50 times 2 cups. So you're going to fill out this table and then graph that over here. So go ahead right now and make sure that you have any questions written down. Try to finish up this yourself and think about all of the parts that we talked about today, both the independent and dependent, the function, the domain and range, whether it's discrete or continuous, and then also back to our game and making sure that we understand that we need to make sure to check out what our y is, what our independent variable is, what's changing here as this goes on, so that we're careful when we're graphing it. So make sure you wrote down any questions so that you're ready to go, and I will see y'all later.